Alright, hey guys, welcome to this episode of DIY with Chaska. Today we're going to be making a wine barrel doghouse. Found, basically an image on Pinterest, and I'm really excited to get that done. Before we get started, and before I roll this into my workshop, I'm going to hose it down, get it cleaned up a little bit, and then we can get started. So now that we got it washed off and then in the shop, we're going to actually be using our DeWalt router here. We're going to be cutting a circle in the very top of this, on the head of it. You can do this multiple ways. You can do this with hand tools, using like a saw, for instance, just drilling a hole, or you can try and use a jigsaw. I like the router because it has this nice rounded base, and we're going to be able to get a nice circle around it and then sand that down. You might be asking, why didn't I power wash this? Well, for two very good reasons. First reason being, I wanted to really keep kind of the look to it. You know, it tells a story the more it's aged, and I'm really a big fan of weathering. Plus, this is going to go outdoors, so this is going to be Chaska's outdoor doghouse. Second, I don't own a power washer, but, you know, I like the aging better. Looks cool. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to get started routing this out. We'll get the circle, we're going to go slow and steady, nice few passes on it, and from there we'll be able to build the base. This will be a pretty quick build if you're trying along. Alright, so after washing it out and scrubbing it down on the inside, this is what we now have. So you can see, still looking pretty good. Unfortunately, my other piece here came off. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a layer of wood glue right around here. I'm also going to try and wood glue these top pieces here, but leave this bottom piece down here open. So those are the next steps. Whew, all right, well, now that we've gotten this moved outside and the urethane is finally dried, the next step is to see if Chaska likes his new doghouse. Ready to go inside, bud? All right, let's go inside, come on. How is it? All right, well, I think this is a Chaska approved build. Hopefully you'll try your own wine barrel doghouse. Hey, and if you found this video interesting or helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also smash that like button for me. Lets me know what kind of content I should keep on creating. And yeah, check back later for more DIY with Chaska.